So today we are going to play mini games with my stuffed animals. And this is Baby Autumn. I know, he's so cute. And the other player you're gonna play with is my other favorite stuffed animal. So his name is Money Muffin. I know, weird, but it's his name, okay? Don't make fun of it. And so yeah, it's so cute. And so we are gonna play two mini games. The first one is mini Jenga. Like, isn't that so cute? It's like mini Jenga. Like, oh my god. Let's put this in front of him. And second is mini Uno. Oh my god. Okay, so we are putting it in front of him. Okay. And this is my Money Muffin's backpack. It's so cute and small. It only has like these little stuff inside here. It's like a square shape. It's like a puzzle piece or something to make a square, but I lost the other pieces and I just put the other pieces in here. So let me put it on and we are gonna play. He literally just fell. Pick him up. So let me pick up the Jenga too, because they keep on falling off. Anyways, let's put this one here, like that you could see him. Obviously, they don't move by themselves, so yeah. Oh, and I'm playing with my stuffed animals simply because my brother doesn't want to play. And these are brand new, and I went to the store last time, and so yeah. So let's, what do you want to play? Uno? Okay, what do you want to play? Uno? Okay, so I also want to play Uno, so let's play Uno first. Let's take this one here, and let's open this. There's like tape in here. So yeah, like that little circle tape. That is mostly when they're new and stuff. So I just open it here. I don't know how small they are. I don't know if they're like the normal Unos that there's like half here and half here. But I'm going to a party later. Oh my god, I think I just broke it. Because every single time you open something, it just rips from like here. Like, right? That is so annoying. So I'm trying not to do that because it's brand new and I don't want to break it so fast. Anyways, after this, I'm going to put tape on it. Obviously. Actually, I'm going to put this tape. I'm trying to rip this. So it won't work, but I'm just gonna still save it in case I can't. Okay, I already broke it so much, so I'm basically just breaking it. Because it won't open. So, okay, I opened it. Let's see. What? Oh my god, it's like in a little sandwich bag from those like with chocolate in it, and it fell. And let's open this with the, oh my god, they're so cute. Let's open this. Okay, I am opening this. They are so cute. Oh my god, look at this. I love smelling this. But these are so cute, guys. Come on. How did I never knew this? Like, these are so cute. And I like them because they're like in color. So this is yellow. There's red, blue, and green, and all the +2 here. And like, wait a second. Oh, these have +2 wild cards. This is different. These are not in the normal no, but I think it's like this because there's like less cards because they're mini. So let's play. So let me mix them first. Now. So I am just basically mixing them and I think them. So I don't really know how to mix them, but I'm trying my best. So let's do this like normal people do it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now let's pass out the cards. You guys can see, but I cannot. So good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me get my Uno. Let's mix this because these fell down. So let's put these right here. So I will start because I'm a human. These are not so bad. I wish I could play with somebody that they always say yes to. So, oh wait, I forgot. So a 9 red. I don't have, so I need to grab. Oh yes, first try. So now let's try with Baby Yoda. You can all see. An 8. Ooh, lucky he has an 8. These are all his cards. Okay, now let's play this Money Muffin. So, a yellow or an 8. Ooh, lucky he has one yellow. Now you can all see my cards. So, yeah. Oh, so you guys can see this. Like all of these. So it's a 2 yellow. So I'm lucky that I have a bunch of yellows. So I'm just gonna put a 6 yellow. Baby Yoda, let's see what you have. Oh, you have a 7 yellow. Look, let's put this here. Okay, Money Muffin, it's your turn. Okay, you don't have a yellow, but you do have a blue 7. You guys can see. And mine, I don't have a, oh yeah, I do have a blue. I have an 8 blue. So let's put this here. Now let's get Baby Yoda's turn. So he has a lot of blue. So let's put that blue there. Oh, and his was a 3 blue. Now let's see Money Muffins. Let's put him a 6 blue. Right there. Now it's my turn and I have no blue, but I do have a green 6. So let's put it here. Now, this one, he has to grab. Oh, wait a minute. He could just use his wild. He wants blue. I think something fell on our roses. And he wants blue, so let's give this a 5 blue. So, I don't have no blue, but I do have a 5 yellow. Stand. So let's put this here. Now let's see you, Baby Yoda. Oh, Baby Yoda doesn't have a 5 yellow. Oh, no. No. Oh, wait, he has a red 5, so let's put him that. It's your turn, Money Muffin. Oh, he doesn't have either a 5 or a red, so let's get him. I'm gonna put this a +2, and he wants green. So let's me have 1, 2, and he wants green. So let's put this here. Your turn. So, oh, it's a 7 green. So then show it 2. So he doesn't have no green, but he does have a 7. So let's put it here. So red or 7. Let's grab him. Nope. Mm-mm. Yes, he has a 2 red. So let's see. And I don't want to be mean with it, but I need to win. And a +2 yellow. So he gets +2. And he doesn't have yellow. Why did I do this to Baby Yoda? Why did I do this to you, Baby Yoda? Like, why did I do this to you? Oh my god, there is no... What the Okay, I'm just putting these back. And I am putting a wild, which is red for Baby Yoda. For Baby Yoda. Wild. Sorry, Baby Yoda. I'm so sorry. So he said he wanted red, so let's put him a red. He doesn't have red, obviously. He doesn't have. Oh, come on. So I guess you're, the last one, and he has a 1 red. So let's put it here. So I won't be able to eat anymore. I don't have a 1 or a red. So it's your turn, Baby Yoda. And obviously he has to have red because he picked red. So let's put him a red here. He picked a 3 red. So it's Money Muffin's turn. So it is a 3 or a red. Oh, he doesn't have. Now it's my turn. And I have a yellow 3. So now it's Baby Yoda's turn. So he doesn't have a yellow, which is bad, but he does have a green 3. So let's put it here. So I know I could just mix him up and put him there, but I don't. Actually, yeah, I'm doing that because it's no fair. Like they don't have it, so why not just scrap them? So it's a 3, and it's Money Muffin's turn. Here. Okay. So reverse said Money Muffin. So it's Baby Yoda's turn now. He says, skip my turn. Money Muffin says, +1 green. Baby Yoda says, +1 blue. And I have no, so I'm gonna have to grab 2 of them. Oh my god, I got good ones. Great. So it's Money Muffin's turn. He says plus, no. He says, oh wait. It's a blue, so he has to put a blue. And he puts a 4 blue. So, it's Baby Yoda's turn. He says, ooh, reverse. Okay, so it was going like this, right? No, it was going like this. So now it's Money Muffin's turn. He puts another reverse, yellow. Let's see what Baby Yoda says. He puts a red reverse. Okay, how many times are you guys gonna reverse me? So, Money Muffin doesn't have any. Wait, I just got one and he has a 1 red. So now it's finally my turn. Man, I'm just gonna change it to yellow. Cause yeah, you guys need to know why. So yellow, 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 yellow. He doesn't have yellow. Baby Yoda doesn't have yellow. I don't want to eat more for Baby Yoda, so I'm just gonna put a yellow. For yellow. Now it's Baby Yoda's turn. 4. Let's see if he has a 4. Yes, he does. He has a red 4. So let's put this here. And I want to put a red 4 like I showed you. And does Money Muffin have any? No. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. No. 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 Oh, yeah, he does. It's a 3. Red. Red. So do I have... Nope. I'm going to have to add +2, and I'm going to have to change it to yellow. Oh, no. Oh, I just showed my card. So, sorry, Baby Yoda, but I need to win this. I'm like, oh. Actually, you got so lucky because one of them is yellow. So let me put a 3 yellow, Baby Yoda. And now it's Money Muffin's turn. Ooh. A 5. Now it's my turn. And a 9 yellow. I won. So now we are going to put this Uno away and we are going to play Jenga because this game was pretty long. So if it was like 5 minutes, then yeah, I would play another game, but no. It was pretty long, and I also need to play Jenga in this video, because why not? Like, oh, this is so cute. So I like putting things back where they go, so I'm just going to put them back to the sandwich, because I love keeping them clean, but the Uno box is, I broke it, so anyways, I'm putting this away like it was. Okay, so this back. Oh, and the instructions were here too. How small are the instructions? So they're basically almost the same size as the normal instructions, but they're still different. So let me put this away still. So I'm putting this together like this. So I wish there were more mini games that I saw in the store, but I didn't see anymore. So I just got the mini games that I saw. They're so cute. And I especially just got them to make this video. And I also got them because they're so cute. And I could take these wherever I want. Like in the party I'm going to, I could just take them there. So now let's play Jenga. In case I get boring in the party. So, the mini Jenga. Let's open this. Ooh. So this one has like tape, which I can use to fix my Uno. It has 2 tapes, which is I'm also gonna put them here because they are long enough so it could fit, right? So I just put it like this because I don't want it to get destroyed. So now let's play Jenga. Oh wait, I forgot to take the other tape off. So I am just taking... Oh, I thought I had more tape around it. I was like, what? So let's take this off like this. And can I rip this tape? Because it wasn't enough. Wait, where's the other tape? Oh, no. Well, so, yeah, I just ripped it. So it's time to open this. Oh my, you see, it gets like break. It like breaks easily. Oh my god, I had like a little tiny skinny piece that I accidentally did not take. So let's play this. And then after we play Jenga and somebody wins, the video will end because the video is going to be super long. So, oh, there we go. Perfect. Ooh, look. It's like this. So it has like a little tiny box in here. Wait, that means that it doesn't have that much. It only... What? I need to take this off. Like, look. It has this box here. It's only... Oh. So I'm going to take this off. Mini Jenga. Yep. So... Let me open this because it has like a wrapper around it. So I need to take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pause the video to open this. So see you in a minute. So I just stacked this and I just wanted to show you how small they are. Like, look, they are so small. And let's play. And this is how big the tower is. Like, I know, right? So I'm gonna start first. I'm gonna be taking the bottom one for it to be harder. And I don't know if you guys just take it and not leave it, but in the way I do it, it's to do that. But I'm just gonna take it because it needs to finish fast. It's Baby Yoda's turn. I know exactly what to do. So he picked this one, so let's take this one off. Here we go. It's Mana Muffin's turn, which is his hands are really big, so he cannot do what Baby Yoda did. My turn. Baby Yoda's turn. Here you go. My turn. Wait, what? It's Mana Muffin's turn. Now is my turn. Ooh, that was hard. Now it's Baby Yoda's turn. He picks this one. Ew. Mana Muffin's turn. Okay, this is starting to get awfully. Mana Muffin, you lost! Oh man, you lost. So I just finished the game Jenga, so I'm gonna put this away. And like I said, after playing the game Jenga, the video will end. So bye guys. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. See you all next time. Goodbye.